Once upon a time, in the lively town of Khushipur, there lived a boy named Rohan and a girl named Ananya. Rohan was famous for making the biggest and messiest sandwiches, while Ananya was known for her unique ability to create the most colorful and delicious sandwiches ever seen. One afternoon, as the sun was shining brightly, Rohan and Ananya sat in the kitchen, staring at a huge pile of bread, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and, most importantly, a mountain of chutneys. "I bet my sandwich is going to be the best one ever," Rohan said with a smirk, spreading some ketchup on the bread. Ananya raised an eyebrow. "Oh really? I think you're going to need more than just ketchup to beat my sandwich." Rohan puffed out his chest. "Oh, you're on. Let's have a sandwich showdown." Ananya grinned. "I challenge you to make the most creative, mouth-watering sandwich ever. And the winner gets a whole week of no chores." Rohan's eyes sparkled. "Deal." And so, the sandwich showdown began. Rohan immediately grabbed a loaf of bread and started piling it high with slices of cheese, lettuce, and tomato. "This is going to be the biggest sandwich anyone has ever seen," he declared, stacking his ingredients higher and higher, until it was taller than his head. Ananya, on the other hand, was working in silence, carefully arranging each layer of her sandwich. She had cucumbers, peppers, and a secret ingredient, pomegranate seeds, which she knew would make her sandwich stand out. As Rohan's sandwich grew higher and higher, he began to look worried. His sandwich was so tall it looked like it might topple over at any moment. "Oh," Rohan muttered. "This might be harder than I thought." Ananya, with a sly smile, was finishing her sandwich. She added a final touch, a swirl of mint chutney, and carefully placed the top slice of bread. Just as she was about to present her sandwich, Rohan's giant creation wobbled, teetered, and then crashed to the floor with a loud splat. Ananya burst out laughing. "Looks like your sandwich got too big for its boots." Rohan groaned but couldn't help laughing too. Okay, you win this round. But I'll still win in the taste category." Ananya held up her sandwich proudly. "Let's see about that." They both took a bite of each other's sandwiches. Rohan's sandwich, despite its towering height, was so messy and big that he had to unhinge his jaw to finish it. But Ananya's sandwich was perfectly balanced, with a burst of flavors from the chutneys and pomegranate seeds. It was fresh, flavorful, and delicious. Rohan wiped some chutney off his chin. "You know what? I think you win, Ananya. Your sandwich was perfectly delicious." Ananya smiled, holding up her sandwich in victory. "Thanks, Rohan. But you did make a valiant effort with your skyscraper sandwich." The two laughed, their bellies full of the tastiest sandwiches they'd ever eaten. They declared the showdown a success, agreeing that next time they'd do a sandwich building contest, with a lot less mess. And so, Rohan and Ananya's sandwich showdown became a new tradition in Khushipur, bringing laughter, creativity, and of course, lots and lots of sandwiches. Give AI prompt and Manhattan character consistency and give AI prompt for every character.